Hello and welcome back. So yeah, just moved around these parts here, the little spiny bits, and then yeah, just put in the two parts for the mouth. Just a rough estimate. Oh god, as to where they're gonna go. I'm gonna take this here and just mask that off. And we'll just kind of like alright. So in here we'll put the tasks. So actually let's put one in now. So we'll append a sphere. Like that, and then we'll give it some geometry, and we'll go brush move, and we'll go X. No, we won't go X. Alright, and we'll go whoop. And then something like that, and then we'll pull this out this way, and there you have it. Just gonna make it a bit thicker as well. Cool. So we can duplicate that, and we can mirror, and then we'll merge down and symmetry. And we've got them there now too. So I'm going to just mark very quickly where these teeth are gonna go for our baneling. So kind of just, and then we'll have a big row of teeth here. And we'll do the same at the bottom as well, like this. There we go. trying to work out if it actually has eyes. So there'll be a carapace bit that we'll put in, and we'll probably just duplicate this, to be honest. So we'll grab that and we'll move that here and make the whole thing smaller, something like that. There. Cool. So I'm going to take the I'm going to take this part and kind of bunch it up a little bit here. And then we'll mask this and then invert that. And stretch that out and down like so. And then we'll just do some cleanup so that it fits. Alright. So we will make this a bit taller, and then we'll shape this a bit better. Nice. And then this part we'll bring all the way down here and kind of make it a bit thicker. And yeah, that looks alright. Just there we go. So it's got a little hat. Kind of looks like that actually. I'll save that. Probably leave it there. But yeah, look, hopefully you've had a good Thursday, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.